to delete all projects at once on CapCut. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all projects at once on CapCut. In order to do so, first of all, open your CapCut application on your mobile device and make sure you are on this page. If you are not in this page, you can tap on the scissor or the edit icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, and then you will be presented with your projects. Now here, in order to delete all the projects, firstly you will need to select one of these projects. Simply tap and hold the project, and then at the right side you will be able to see the little circles. Now you will need to simply tap on all of them one by one manually. You will not be able to see delete all option at once, but you will need to select these projects and then tap on the delete button or the dustbin icon at the central button below. By doing so, a pop-up will appear on your screen. Here you will need to confirm in order to delete all of these items. Tap on confirm button right here, and then you will see all of them has been deleted. Now these projects will be moved to trash box. If you want to restore or recover it, you will need to recover it within 7 days, and after that it will be deleted permanently from your CapCut. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete all projects at once on CapCut. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.